with some artichoke. You can see this leaf, the flower, and then the fruit, the vegetable on the top. And it's the leaf that's used in herbal medicine. And artichoke's called Cynara scolymus, and it's filled with some bitter-containing compounds, particularly sesquiterpene lactones, amongst other things. And these bitter compounds stimulate the liver and the release of bile, so it's very good for helping alleviate digestive fullness, for there being times of excess, eating too much, drinking too much. It can be really good to help the flow and freeing of hormone metabolism through the liver. And so as a result, it's often used to clear stagnation. So it can be used as a laxative. It's used to help reduce high cholesterol, and also in metabolic conditions where there may be a build-up of obesity or sluggish metabolism, then artichoke is a go-to friend. Very bitter, only have in small amounts.